Hi, my name is Joshua Vile, reporting from the University of Maine. On Thursday, October 15th, the Department of Energy announced that it has awarded a 38-member team led by Umaine's Advanced Structures and Composites Center an $8 million grant to develop and deploy 3 turbines that will float on the composite platforms off the coast of Maine and New Hampshire. Here is Elizabeth Faselli to elaborate on the work that is in the future for the University of Maine.
Recently received a grant of between $7.1 and $8 million from the DOE, and that's for the design, testing, fabrication, and erecting and monitoring of test turbines offshore in the University of Maine test bed. There is the possibility of more. Secretary Chu charged the University of Maine with leading the nation in deepwater wind research during the press conference, and Dr. Dagger and the entire congressional delegation for the state of Maine, as well as the governor, met with Secretary Chu and his officials earlier this year to discuss the possibilities of becoming a national research center, and he did charge us with that.
What you see here is the Advanced Structures and Composite Lab located on the Umaine campus. Here I managed to catch up with somebody who was involved in the project.
What we have here is a cross-section from one of our wind blades we actually tested earlier. What you have here is a fiberglass outer skin on the inside and outside with a balsa wood core. And the main structure of the wind blade is actually this black carbon on the top and bottom, and that carries the main bulk of the load that the wind blade sees.
2 of the turbine models, which could all be in place in the next 2 years, will be located in an undetermined site in the Gulf of Maine. And the other one will be located on the Maine-New Hampshire border.
Sure, so it's actually really exciting, and right now we're getting the ball rolling with all the contract negotiations and that sort of thing. But we have an interdisciplinary team of people not only in structural engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, but also in environmental sciences, biological sciences, oceanography. Lots of different departments, geology, are coming together on this project, because when you're putting something into the ocean, you not only have the structural issues, how are these things going to act in that wind wave environment, but you also have environmental monitoring that has to go on.
So another part of the wind blade testing we do here is smaller component testing using carbon fiber samples that the clients have supplied us, as well as fiberglass samples for 2 different methods of building the wind blades. They're looking at using fiberglass and carbon fiber. Of course, the carbon fiber is a lot lighter, so it's a more desirable material to use, but we're doing a smaller scale testing here.
We'll be paving the road for alternative energy research for years to come. Thank you for watching. This is Joshua Vile, signing off.